Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can import an Excel file into Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.smartsheet.com and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once inside the main dashboard, we can start a new project or choose an existing one that we already made. Let's use this for example. Now, how can we integrate or put our Excel file into this worksheet? So what we're going to do is to go to the top left and click on Add to Workspace. From the drop-down menu, we're going to click on Import and then we're going to click on Microsoft Excel. From there, we're going to click on Select and then we're going to choose the Excel file that we want to use. Let's say I'm going to use this updated master list. Click on Open and then click on Continue. Wait for a few seconds and you should see the import settings, including the sheet name, the column headers, and the primary column. So once you're sure, simply click on Import. And as simple as that, my Excel file has been imported into my worksheet. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!